world, all my walls fall down when you're on my mind. My heart beats loud.
All right, so springtime is officially here. That means warmer weather, more time outdoors, and especially more time at the pool. Now, if you own a pool, you also know that comes with one thing, and that's pool maintenance. Now, you could do things the old-fashioned way, or you could invest in something like this. Now, before we get into the details, let's just take a second to appreciate how this thing looks. It's got a hypercar-inspired design, and if Bugatti made robotic pool cleaners, I can only imagine this is how it would look. And those orange accents on the track style wheels emphasize the design even more. And it not only looks premium, it feels premium. It's got an anti-corrosion and UV resistant coating, which means it's also compatible with saltwater pools. Now, aside from design, something that sets the K60 apart from the competition is runtime. A single charge can cover up to 10 days based on 1 hour cleanings every 3 days. And that's one of the beautiful things about the K60. It's got a built-in AI mode that lets you schedule automatic cleanings every 24, 48, or 72 hours. So depending on the schedule you choose, you can just kind of let it do its thing in the background for days at a time. Also, if you have any trips or vacations planned, you have that peace of mind knowing that your pool is still being cleaned while you're gone. Now, compatibility wise, the K60 is made for in-ground and above ground pools of all shapes and materials. And as far as cleaning modes, you've got a few options. You can choose to focus on just the floor, you can focus on the floor and the walls, or just the walls and the waterline, which is nice because you can prioritize the areas that need the most attention. Now, the runtime is impacted by the mode you select. You can get up to 6 hours when cleaning just the floor, or you can get up to 3.5 hours when cleaning the floor, the walls, and the waterline. As soon as you put the K60 in the pool, it automatically starts mapping the walls and the floor. And as you can see right here, it's taking care of the walls before moving on to the floor. And you'll notice it uses a methodical S-shaped pattern to make sure it covers the entire pool as efficiently as possible. It's got 3 brushless motors with a total suction rate of almost 6,000 gallons an hour. And you've got those dual rubber brushes in the front that do a great job of scrubbing not only the floor, but also the walls and the water line. And a quick tip, the rubber brushes are actually removable if they need cleaning or replacing down the line. Now, like I said earlier, the K60 is made for all different types of pools, and it uses those track style wheels along with something called adaptive torque control, which helps it navigate steps, slopes, and walls. Now, this particular pool had kind of a lip or a shelf toward the top of the wall all the way around, and the K60 navigated it pretty well. There were also steps, and to be fair, it did get caught up on those steps once or twice, and each time it took a solid minute or two to kind of figure things out, but it eventually found its way around. Now, one thing that's really cool about the K60 is that it actually adapts to your pool's conditions to make sure it's running as efficiently as possible. So instead of a one-size-fits-all approach, it customizes the way it cleans based on your pool. And you'll probably notice the pool in the video, it wasn't too bad. It was actually pretty clean for the most part. And I noticed as the K60 went through its cleaning cycle, it seemed to kind of lower the speed and the power, almost as if it realized an intense clean wasn't really necessary. And speaking of intense cleaning, the K60 also has a built-in turbo mode that instantly increases the cleaning power to 200%. It's designed to take care of heavy debris after storms, pool parties, or just any debris that seems to require a little bit more power than usual. Now, I was actually pretty impressed with what the K60 was able to capture. Like I said, this pool was pretty clean to begin with. There was some debris kind of floating along the surface, but there wasn't a whole lot that actually made its way to the bottom of the pool where the K60 could actually pick it up, which is why it mainly picked up some very fine dirt and just kind of small, gritty sediment type material. It's got a 4-liter mesh filter that's great at collecting debris of all sizes. That's going to be leaves, twigs, gravel, and again, fine gritty substances like dirt and sand. And with that 4-liter capacity, that means you can go longer between filter cleanings. Now, when it is time to clean the filter, A quick rinse with a water hose gets the job done in a matter of seconds. And the entire user experience with the K60 is really straightforward. Once it's charged up, there's a power button on the bottom. You just turn it to the unlocked position, and then you have a full touchscreen interface where you can choose the cleaning mode, you can choose the duration, so on and so forth. And the touchscreen was actually a design choice to avoid the potential wear and damage of physical buttons. Now, I was curious to see if there would be any usability issues with the touchscreen while it was wet, but even straight out the pool, it worked flawlessly. Now, you can also use the app to set everything up. You can choose your cleaning mode, you can adjust the runtime, you can schedule your cleaning cycles, you can also activate turbo mode, and more importantly, you can make sure you're up to date on the latest firmware so your device has the latest features and algorithms for the best performance. Now, aside from design, aside from features, one of the biggest selling points might be the 3-year warranty, which offers a full machine replacement for any major motor failures. So if you own a pool and you want something to help you establish a consistent baseline as far as cleaning and maintenance, the K60 is a great option. Obviously, there's still going to be some things you'll have to do yourself here and there. If you own a pool, then you know they can be a lot of work, but this is definitely something that can help make your life easier. And last but not least, if you're looking to stay under the $1,000 price point, the K60 does that. Of course, I'll have the link in the description. Also, if there's any discounts available, I'll be sure to include those as well. I'm curious to know what you guys think about this thing, especially the overall design. Make sure you let me know in the comments. And aside from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.